Okay, today we're going to be doing installation on a 2020 Shelby GT 500. It'll also fit the 21 and the 22. We'll start by removing these two screws in the center. Okay, now using the T27 Torx socket, remove the two center screws to get ready to put the base plate on. Okay, now you're going to install the base plate using the two 6mm by 20mm bolts and washers. And then tighten with a 10mm wrench or socket. Okay, using the 10mm socket, go ahead and tighten the bolts. Snug it. Base plate is on. Now pulling the stainless steel pull pin, slide the front plate into place till it locks into place. We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then you just repeat for the other three screws. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. There we go, last one. Again, these don't have to be super tight because the nylon lock ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.